How great were they?
Patrick and Brennan. I mean, I got to tell you a remarkable. I mean, maybe it's not an issue, but and certainly we didn't make much of it myself. But I had parked my car next door on Mr. Tweedy's driveway, and the young men came in and they rearranged the garage because there's stuff out there. And at the end of the day, Monday, after they had finished doing all of the duct work and everything, and all the garbage was then put into their truck, which amazed me. As they were pulling out and we waved bye-bye, he said, we'll be here probably tomorrow at around the same time. I said, great, not a problem. So they left and I went to pull the car into the driveway. But of course I opened up the garage door because I didn't have the key to the front door, so I had to get in the house. And they had moved everything in the garage away from the right side where the duct was to get into the attic. They had moved everything back. This is Monday night when they were like exhausted and sweaty and whatever, so that I could park my car in the garage overnight. I mean, I didn't think to ask. I didn't consider it at all. I figured, I'll park in the driveway. It's like, they were so thoughtful and so clean.
Oh, they're fantastic installers.
I mean, I made him show me how he cut the hole in the ceiling without a smidge of crumbs on the floor. He said, well, we put a tarp down. I said, what do you need the tarp for? It's a very small blade, looks like an electric drill, but it's a blade.
Mm-hmm.
And it just cut the hole in both 3 ceilings. I mean, it was, I make more dirt making a sandwich. It's like, holy, I mean.
Well, we try to leave homes better than when we got there.
Well, you certainly did.